This 5-minute chilled soup will get you through summer's last heat wave. Did your air conditioner decide to die in the middle of the last heat wave like mine did? Then I have the ultimate soup to get you through until the repair dude arrives. This is cool, light, refreshing, and ready in just 5 minutes. Relief is here. Total time, 5 minutes. Serves for 1 seedless cucumber, cut in half. 2 c Greek yogurt. 1/2 c lemon juice. 1/4 c mint plus more for serving. 1 teaspoon lemon zest plus more for serving. 1/2 c chopped walnuts. 1. Slice 1 cucumber half into 1-inch chunks and place in food processor. Dice other half into small pieces and set aside. 2. Place yogurt, lemon juice, lemon zest, mint, and 1 cup cold water in food processor with cucumber. Blend on high until smooth. 3. Place mixture in bowl and stir in walnuts and reserved diced cucumber. Garnish with lemon zest and mint and serve chilled.